Hey guys, Event Horizon here. Today we've got our hands on the Motorola Razr. Wow, this box has so much chaotic energy in it. I have never seen a more interesting phone box in my life. Look at this. Like, wow, this feels premium. Look at that. You can see inside it. Wow, yep, this right here is amazing. Let's just open it up real quick. I usually don't do many unboxings, but I felt that with a device like this, it just deserved an unboxing. So we're just gonna open it up real quick. I'll do another video probably on hands-on impression and stuff like that. Now let's see, does it just slide open? I'll just set it down because the way it's working. So it slides open like that. You can see nothing in there but some foam. Wow, and you can see through the top up there. I don't think there's anything else in here. Yeah, it's just all decor. That is crazy. And as you can see right here, it has another stand right here. Wow, if you could just hear that, it just feels nice and premium. I know I keep saying premium, I'm just not used to $1,000 plus phone coming with stuff that feels like it's over $1,000, you know? What's this? Ooh, look at that. It even comes with a Type-C to aux adapter. When was the last time we got one of those in a device? Looks like we have some small print. We don't read the small print. Let's see. What's this though? Just a breakdown on the device. I'll do that later. I'm not going to bore you guys with it. We have a SIM card reader in there. Type-C to USB-A, I believe, in there. Yep, looks like it. Cool. That is awesome. And then, if you want to look, here is the actual device right here, standing up upright. Wow, that is a crazy. I wish this thing could charge in here. You could just keep this stand. But, yeah, it's just this actual plastic in this box. That's crazy, the way it just sits in there. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick hands-on, guys. I haven't actually touched the device at all. Oof. Right off the bat, it has a glossy finish. Let's see. Surprisingly, it's not really taking up these fingerprints, though. It's getting a little muggy on there, a little foggy, but it's really not taking fingerprints on here. Oh, sorry, I'm used to having the Z Flip where it just opens from the bottom. Oh, so they sell it where you can use the phone with one hand. So let's see if I can actually open it with one hand. I did. Takes some getting used to, for sure. But there it is. It flops open. It does have the slight bend in the glass, if you can see it there. But I do want to say right off the bat, it is less noticeable than the Z Flip. It does have this fat bezel at the bottom. I'll have to get used to that. And of course it has a camera gap up top. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to do a review on this eventually. But for now, I just wanted to give you guys a quick hands-on on the device in an unboxing today. And wow, that is the best unboxing I've done on any product in my life. I mean, I've been excited for other devices like Xbox and stuff like that, but this has been the most inventive unboxing I've ever done. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in today. It's just a quick video today, Event Horizon, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.